In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Minecraft launcher to Steam. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Usually, what you would do to add non-Steam games to Steam is go to a library after opening up the Steam launcher, clicking on Add a Game and then Add a non-Steam game. You would then browse a game by using the File Explorer and add Minecraft through here. However, because the new Minecraft launcher is located in the Microsoft Store, you cannot do this process for Minecraft. What you need to do instead is use the UWP hook tool from GitHub. So go over to Brian Lima's GitHub page and look for UWP hook. You should arrive at this page, and as you can see, all this does is allow you to add games and tools from Xbox Game Pass or the Windows Store to Steam. Select the releases at the right side of the screen and download the latest version of the app. When you first download it, you should get this screen. You can set some settings if you want, but alternatively just close this window and then go into the main page. As you can see, we can already see Minecraft for Windows 10 in Minecraft Launcher in here. All you have to do is tick these two boxes and then select Export Selected Apps to Steam. After you select Export Selected Apps to Steam, you will be able to find these apps in your Steam library. As you can see, after you click the Export button, they will both pop up on Steam and you can launch whichever version you want to play of Minecraft. The launcher will open up as usual and you can start playing. I hope I was able to help you on how to add the Minecraft launcher to your Steam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.